Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified whenever I make a new video. In this video, I will show you how I do my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys like it. Here we go. So first off, we're going to start with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. I apply this all over the face and neck and just let it soak in. For your convenience, guys, I will have all the products listed down below. Fanning, fanning, let it dry, fanning, fanning. Then I follow with my Olay Fresh Effects Bright on Schedule Eye Awakening Cream. I apply this around the eye area and eyelids. I just rub this in with my ring finger around the eyes. Once most of it's soaked in, whatever's left over, I apply to the sides of my nose because that's a very dry area for me. And this is a very emollient cream. Here I'm going in with just the chapstick, Mango Sunrise Tropical Paradise Collection, smells delish. Next we're going in with Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. Now I'm just rubbing this into my eye, again using my ring finger. Make sure you go all the way up to your brow bone. Now onto eyeshadows. I'm using my Lorac Pro Mega 2 palette. We're using this palette. First color we're going to use is Custard, and I'm going to apply this to the entire lid area. Next we're going to go in with a blending brush. This one is from Mirabella Eye Blender. I believe I got this in an Ipsy a long time ago. And we're just going to go in the crease this time with a nice combo. In this case, I'm using Tangerine and Melon from the Lorac palette. Dipping into both, back and forth, and then applying to my crease. Here I'm going in with a small brush. This one's from my BoxyCharm box. And I'm going to go in with the color Sorbet. And I'm going to apply this to the bottom half of my lid. Next, with the medium fluffy brush, this one's from BH Cosmetics, I'm applying the color Seashell on my brow bone area and inner tear ducts, very lightly, of course. Now it's foundation time. For foundation, I'm using my Almay Healthy Glow Makeup and Gradual Self Tan in medium 300. I love this foundation. It is thebomb.com. It's very creamy, emollient, and looks very natural. I would say it's a medium coverage, and if you have dry skin like me, I definitely recommend you try it. Here I'm just patting it onto my face. Now with my dirty Real Techniques diamond sponge, I'm just going to go in and blend everything out, which, by the way, the point on this sponge is absolutely amazing to get into that tear duct area. Pretty good sponge. I like it a lot. Now we're moving on to eyeliner. Now before the eyeliner, I did my bronzer and contouring with a bronzer, and it got cut off, but just know that I did contour before this. I did my eyeliner, and now we're going in with the color Plum, and I'm just applying that under my lower lash line, curling my lashes. And now finally some mascara. And here I'm just using Maybelline New York Total Temptation Mascara in black. Also from Maybelline, my lipstick, which is Touch of Spice in number 660 matte. I love this color for every day. Highly recommend it. And then finally, I'm using just a plum colored eyeliner. This one is from Tarte. And applying this to both my waterlines. Obviously, since I have two eyes, I would apply to both. And then finally, my MAC blush, and this one is in the color Margin, and it's a frost, but of course I apply lightly, not too much, but the frost really is giving me life since my skin is extra dry lately. And then at the end, we just apply my Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed my look. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Bye.